Today we talk about how can you find comments on your Talkie app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above comments, you click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then here you will find all comments you have in this list here. Like you see, I have no comments and no one comments about my posts. But if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list on your Turkey app. So that's all you have to do now. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.